I see a lot of customers using massively database log, but that could really make a huge impact on your performance of the system, because whenever you update a records and you want to track it, then it creates a record in the database log that will slow the performance of the system. If you want to just track the modified by or some fields like that, you already have it. So in the sales order, the sales order idea will go in any records of the system. I go to record info, show all fields, and then I will go to see all the fields, and I can see the who modified this, for example. So modified, I use Control F here. So I can see who modified and the date, right? Of course, I cannot see what is the last change, but do you need that? That's the point. So if it's for auditing issues, okay, you can do it on some certain fields. I recommend you to do mainly on setup fields, but not on transactional records. That if you create a lot of transactions, then it will really slow your performance of the system.